So this is how my K-Cup works. This is how I got it in the box. Two of the same exact instructions. Probably a packaging error. This comes with the tag on it. It says adapter must be attached for use in Plus Series brewers. So you take this off and then you can get the adapter off. That's the adapter. And I'll show you what the inside looks like real quick. Lock. That comes apart. There's an O-ring in there to keep it attached, and it's just a plastic cup. So you put this back together, you get your coffee in there, do the lock. See that white dot? The lock and unlock. So this white dot over here goes at the 9 o'clock position in your brewer. You have to take this original one out. They say push it from the bottom. That's the easy way. Then you're left with this hole. So you get your coffee in there, you put this thing in just like that. You just drop it in. See how sloppy that is? Well, that's how it's supposed to be. And the adapter, you would think, would secure that, but nope, that's it. The rubber washer will come down and secure on top of that. Now you're done. Now let me show you the problem with this. From what I've been told, it's a printing mistake because I was looking all over the internet trying to find how to use my K-Cup. This is K Mini Plus. The serial number 21P, I was told by a Keurig customer service, the P means plastic, not plus. This plus here and down here in French is a printing mistake. It is not a K Mini Plus, it's a K Mini. If you try to use this adapter on here, this is how it goes on. And then those teeth grab each other to hold it tight. If you try to put this in here, it won't go down. You'd think that adapter will hold it tight in here. If you get it in there, you can. I've done it. You have to take this thing apart. You have to pump this off inside here, and then you have to fish this out after you get the lid off. It's such a mess. I don't know why Keurig made it so difficult. And this cost $14.99, 15 bucks for this thing, instead of the $5 that one of these cost. This won't work in it. You have to buy the Keurig adapter, the universal, and then that will allow you to go ahead and make your own coffee grounds.